We're speaking with a company that has overcome a challenging period to achieve remarkable success. Let's hear their story.
This is snack-making company dedicated to creating delicious, authentic Indian treats like samosas, pakoras, and kachoris for the customers. This production operates 24/7 to meet continuous demand. With this employees working around the clock, the primary challenge is maintaining optimal stock levels. While this is their reality now, their journey was far from easy. Let's find out how they got here.
For years, our procurement was a mess. My team was just confused, drowning in spreadsheets. We never knew about material shortages until production stopped.
Production faced frequent interruptions. This was a direct result of a persistent and challenging lack of inventory, a situation that often brought operations to a complete standstill.
That was it. That was the moment I knew we couldn't go on like this. The whole system was a prayer.
Then we found Spanner Airm, and everything changed. It gives us real-time visibility, so those shortage details are taken care of automatically. The best part? The system automatically creates and sends out the purchase orders.
No more calls, no more guesswork. The struggle was real, but now I sleep a lot better at night.
That's the Spanner, the key change that redefined the company's entire approach. With that, let's begin.